the viewers. I'm Mr. Bilal Ahmed Siddiqui from Multan, and I'm working in FGEI setup. This is totally in Pakistan Army, and Alhamdulillah, I'm related myself to Pakistan Army, and Alhamdulillah, we are serving the people of Pakistan Army, armored forces, children, and the civilians. Also, here I have to introduce myself as a English spoken teacher. And now I'm introducing my program. I have to tell you that viewers, free English spoken classes for all, whether he's living in America, whether he's living in India, whether he's living in Bangladesh, whether he's living in UK, whether he's Pakistani or non-Pakistani, he has a desire to learn English. He must join my classes. That free English spoken classes. That should be totally free English spoken classes. There will be no cost. Just you have to join YouTube channel, Ikra channel, and then you have to connect it with me, and you have to follow my lessons. You have to complete my assignments, and you have to send these assignments through through emails, and through WhatsApp, and I will check these assignments and I will give to you return. And inshallah, there will be no need to go into any other institution. Just you will get English spoken at your home. At your home, it's very easy, and you can get this proficiency in a few days, inshallah. Now, I have to introduce here that what's my plan about free English spoken classes. Now, the first thing is that I have to tell you that first I introduce yourself. Here I have to introduce introduction. Why I'm going to arrange these classes. Here I have to tell you, viewers, basically English is a international language. You know, international language. Secondly, it is the language, official language of many countries. And the third one, that it is the local language of many countries. And being a Pakistani, it is our official language. What is official language? हमारी सरकारी ज़ुबान है, हमने इसे सीखना है. इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज, बैनुल अक़वामी ज़ुबान है, दुनिया के अंदर ये बोली जाती है, समझी जाती है, इसको हमने सीखना है. इट इज़ द लैंग्वेज ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. हमारी साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की लैंग्वेज है. हमें मोबाइल पे ये इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है, लैपटॉप पे इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है, स्मार्टफोन पर इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है, हमें PTCL की जो है उसके ऊपर हमें इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. और हम अगर मिसाल के तौर पर हम अगर किसी CNG पंप पर चले जाएं या हम पेट्रोल पंप पर चले जाएं तो वहाँ पे हमें इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. स्विच ऑन, स्विच ऑफ, दिस इज़ इंग्लिश. This is English. And if you want to travel from one country to another, you should need to propagate, to send your views in English. So this is very necessary, and that I am telling you the importance of English. So we should learn English. We should learn English spoken. We should learn English writing. We should learn English language. Okay, we should learn English reading. Okay, this will become a very good for improving our knowledge, for improving our abilities, especially in relating to English. Okay, so introduction is one thing is that I have told you the importance of English language. Now I have to tell you the objectives. What are the objectives that I have to set through this course? You will gain. What are objectives? Viewers, objectives, there are many objectives, and I have to tell you, first, you should become very good English speaker. Okay, and the second one is that third one is that you you should be English writer. You should write English in a well way. You should write the letters, officially letters. You should write the officially applications. You should write the officially answers, emails, etc. Okay, this is the main objective of this free English spoken classes. English speaker, English writer, and a very good English learner. Why why should we learn English? So because it's a language of science and technology. If we want to get the knowledge about computer, we should learn the English in English movies. If we want to learn about anything through YouTube at international level, we should pick the movies in English. So this is very necessary. We should learn English. If we want to get the medical knowledge, we should take the book, and this book totally is in English. So if we learned English, then it will be a very easy for us to understand these books, these medical books. Okay, this is the fourth objective, and the fifth objective is that we should be very good English reader. English reader. In reading, we should know the newspaper. This is a public work. Newspapers. You should read the newspapers. We should understand the newspapers. We should read the emails. We should write the messages. We should write the letters, applications. Understand. We should understand the applications, letters. This will become for English reader, that if you are very good English reader, then you will get proficiency in all these reading categories. Okay, viewers, and these are the very small objectives that you should be able, after learning free English spoken classes. You will get all these abilities. First, I have to repeat them. You should become English speaker, and the second one, that you should become English writer, and the third one is that you should become English learner, and the fourth one is that you should become very good English reader. Okay, viewers. Now, ये कुछ साथ साथ मैं चाह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आपको इसके बारे में बताना है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा उर्दू का भी टच हम देते जाएं. जो 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 लोग बेचारे मुकम्मल इंग्लिश जो है नहीं समझ सकते, वो साथ साथ उर्दू में भी उनको थोड़ा थोड़ा टच दिया जाएगा. अगर 100% इंग्लिश स्पोकन क्लासेस हैं, तो उसमें से हम 10% उर्दू का टच देंगे, ताकि थोड़ी थोड़ी बात उर्दू में भी समझ आती जाए. अब now I have to tell you the course duration. The third one is that course duration. Inshallah Aziz, this course will be consist of at least 12 classes. Just only. This is the first class. You are learning from me 12 classes, 12 lectures, 12 lessons. And I have to select the word of this 12 from 12 tenses. Yes. Because